Welcome to Agile Marketing Canvas by Professor Thomas Hormaza Dow, your frequently asked questions guide. Today we're diving deep into the world of Agile marketing, exploring a tool that can transform how you connect with your customers. We're talking about the Agile Marketing Canvas. This isn't just another marketing buzzword. This canvas is your roadmap to navigating the ever-changing landscape of customer needs and desires. So buckle up, because we're about to answer the top 8 questions about the Agile Marketing Canvas. Let's get started. Now let's start with the basics. What exactly is the Agile Marketing Canvas? Imagine a dynamic, interactive tool. It's designed to guide your business through a journey of discovery, creating marketing strategies focused on your customers. Because when you truly understand your customers, you can create solutions that resonate and build lasting trust. Now, let's picture this canvas. It's structured in 3 layers, starting from the outside and working our way in. The outer layer is all about getting to know your customers and the market they're in. Then, we move to the middle layer, where the real magic happens. This is where you define what makes your business unique and how you build trust with your customers. Finally, we reach the inner layer, where you solidify your unique position and commit to continuous adaptation. But here's where things get really interesting. When you fold the Agile Marketing Canvas in the middle, something incredible happens. This overlaying structure highlights how each part of your marketing strategy relies on the others. It's a cohesive, iterative process where every element works in harmony to create something truly special. Chapter 4. Putting your customers first. The Agile Marketing Canvas Advantage. The Agile Marketing Canvas enables you to build genuine relationships that stand the test of time. It embeds customer centricity into every fiber of your marketing strategy. This is about truly understanding your customer's journey, their pain points, and their aspirations. It's about using data to guide your decisions and delivering experiences that exceed expectations. Chapter 5. Crafting your unique value proposition, the heart of the canvas. At the very center of the Agile Marketing Canvas, we find your unique value proposition. This isn't just a catchy slogan, it's the soul of your brand, the reason customers choose you. The Agile Marketing Canvas guides you towards defining this UVP step by step. The Agile Marketing Canvas embodies the core values of the Agile Marketing Manifesto. It's about focusing on what truly matters, your customers and the value you deliver. It's about embracing flexibility, learning from experiments, and adapting to change. The beauty of the Agile Marketing Canvas is that it's not a one-time exercise. It's a living framework that encourages ongoing engagement, continuous learning, and constant evolution. And that, my friends, is the key to staying ahead of the curve and achieving sustainable growth. Now you might be thinking, is it right for my business? The answer is a resounding yes. It's a collaborative tool that breaks down silos and brings teams together to achieve a common goal. It's about fostering a culture of transparency, communication, and continuous improvement. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of the Agile Marketing Canvas. Remember, this canvas is just a tool. The real magic happens when you bring your own passion and creativity. Embrace the journey, stay curious, and never stop learning. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights and inspiration.